Hello everyone, you are welcome to Travel and Work, your one-stop channel for all updates and information about traveling, working, studying and living abroad. I hope you are having a great day. Most British voters, especially the general masses, are annoyed by small boats and high immigration. For this reason, the UK Home Office has been working and putting things in place in their interest. The Home Office is examining loads of measures to cut legal migration to Britain and eradicate the abuse of work visas. This measure is to reassure the public. In this video, we will review the new method the UK government is planning to use to restrict most migrant workers and students in the UK. You want to make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever we post new videos. It's no longer news that British voters, especially national populists, are annoyed by small boats. Some British citizens are of the opinion that an influx of foreign workers can drive down wages and make it more difficult for British nationals to find employment, especially in low-skilled sectors. Also, concerns have been raised about the potential for increased competition for public services such as housing and healthcare with a growing population. In addition to this, some other British nationals are of the opinion that foreign workers have encouraged employers to be hiring cheap labor and are no longer ready to pay British nationals the required salaries they need. The increasing number of immigrants, the stressed-out social services have led to some cultural clashes. This indeed can encourage the feelings of resentment and alienation among some British nationals who may feel that their traditional way of life is being threatened because of all the above complaints from British people. In response to this, the Home Office has decided to bring in new measures to act on the interest of these citizens and cut net migration as much as they can. The proposed measures are in the first place with speed, increasing the salary thresholds for skilled workers visas from £26,500 to £30,000. What this will do is that, the high salary requirements will make it difficult for employers to find and recruit skilled workers from abroad, as they will need to offer higher wages to attract these individuals. Due to this, some skilled workers who would have been eligible for a UK skilled worker visa may be deterred from applying. It will eventually lead to a reduction in the number of skilled workers coming to the UK. This will ultimately satisfy most of its citizens. Secondly, it will limit the number of health and care workers visas. Other changes include cracking down on the number of dependents that care workers and students are allowed to bring with them, which currently will include partners and children. Options include a total ban or limiting each applicant to just one dependent. The UK Home Office believes that migrant care workers tend to bring more family members with them than those on skilled workers visas with dependents. Therefore, accounting for more than half of all people arriving through the care workers route. MPs from the Tory party want tougher measures by restricting the number of dependents who can accompany health and care workers to the UK. The government is effectively limiting the overall number of immigrants entering the country through this visa route. The question is the UK Home Office making the right decision by acting in the interest of some British citizens by increasing skilled worker salaries threshold to £30,000? And limiting the number of dependents of health and care workers visa holders to just one or nothing at all? Are there going to be consequences for this action? A lot of people are complaining that increasing the salary threshold could make it more difficult for employers to find and recruit skilled workers in certain sectors, especially in industries with high demand for specialized skills. Will this lead to labor shortages and hinder economic growth in the UK? Will raising the cost of labor make it more difficult for UK businesses to compete globally? Well, this could lead to job losses and a decline in the UK's economic competitiveness. These measures could have a denting impact on individuals from diverse backgrounds. It will make it more difficult for them to migrate to the UK and contribute their skills and talents to society. These decisions by the Home Office on dependents and high salaries threshold is likely to have a mixed impact among its citizens. While there may be some potential benefits in terms of decreasing the pressure on wages and impact on public resources, there are also risks of labor shortages. It will reduce the competitiveness of UK businesses and difficulties for health professionals. The government will need to carefully monitor the impact of these measures and make adjustments when necessary. I hope this information was helpful. I will wrap up here. What are your thoughts on these plans? Please leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe for more on UK visas and immigration updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.